Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to turn off chat message notifications on the Messenger app for PC. If you find those constant message alerts distracting, you're in the right place. This quick guide will help you manage your notifications so you can focus better on your work or enjoy your downtime without interruptions. Let's dive in. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all your chats and settings. Once the app is up and running, find the chat for which you want to turn off message notifications. Click on that chat to enter the conversation window. This is where you can make adjustments to your notification preferences. Now, look towards the top of the conversation window. You should see 3 dots arranged vertically. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu filled with various options related to your chat settings. In this menu, you'll find the option labeled Unmute. If you've previously muted notifications for this chat, selecting Unmute will restore those alerts. However, if you're looking to turn off notifications, you'll actually want to ensure that this chat is set to receive notifications again. Once you click Unmute, you're all set. You've successfully turned off chat message notifications for that specific conversation. Now you can enjoy a quieter Messenger experience without the constant pinging of incoming messages. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your Messenger experience.